Hey guys, alright, so we're gonna be doing the Bob Marley movie today. Quick vlog. I'm gonna try and make the vlog 10 minutes and under. They are kind of long on the longer side. Alright, I'm just about to start editing my previous vlog, Ellie's half-year celebration and the Sigma run, and it's 90 minutes, so I'm gonna have to try to cut down 9 minutes out of it. So I'm gonna cut out the whole heap of talking. All right, so today we're doing Bob Marley movie premiere with the work gang, so excited about that. All right, so I'm at work now, but I was just, while I'm on my way to work, I was listening to Tasha Cobb's You Know My Name and also Break Every Chain. All right, and it's just giving me a sense of fulfillment, I want to say. It's giving me a sense of, it's just giving me so much more confidence, like, yeah, I'm the big man, I'm my boss, that I'm my God. Everything I put on God, sorry, there's nothing that God cannot do for me. And can you just imagine how amazing it would be if I just give him my all? You know, his word says, I have not given you a spirit of fear. And I don't remember what the rest of it goes. I'm gonna try to find that little verse or that little line and put on the screen. But listen to me. Some things is just like you can't help but worry. But I'm not gonna worry about anything. I put it all in the hands of the Lord, because that's what he wants us to do. Listen, there's a revenge. Those are things that I think not about. People have done me so much dirt, so much wrong, and listen, I have nothing but love for them. But I love them from a distance. I don't even really love them, but whatever. Because God says we must love, but I have no desire whatsoever to do anybody any harm, because I know the Lord fight my battles for me. Have a blessed day, my YouTube family, and join me back later on after work for the Bob Marley premiere. Alright, so guys, they called me for my package. It's here, found it. Hey guys, so it's time now to leave, to get ready to leave to go to the movies. Can you believe it's like raining? What kind of day this is start raining? So I'm gonna change and put on my sandals, and I'm also going to change my bag. Don't show my foot. I didn't even do anything before I came down here. So I'm gonna just do this, and then I think we're gonna head out, especially with the rain, the traffic will go, you know, outside. No, we're going to look a movie there. Group, the team, yeah. Yeah, man, it told me everywhere now. Yeah. Alright. About tomorrow night. Alright, so I'm gonna put phone ring. Hold on, guys. Hold on. So they are ready. Alright, so this is my little bag that my baby daddy brought me. Wait up and stop again. My phone. Diana called me now. Diana called me now. Bye guys. See you guys there. At Carib now, guys. Just gonna put my little snacky snacks in my, well, I already put them in there now. Where did I put my little snacks? I'm waiting on my coworkers to get here as well. And then we'll go out, alright? So, I'll let you know how I feel about the movie when I'm back. And then we'll just wrap up the little vlog here, alright? So, I'll see you later. But we never feel so good in the rain stand up. But we're there and we're waiting on them to come. Yeah.
Hot dog. For the life of a deputy.
What's up? This is the day after the movie and I'm here to give my little take on the movie. Alright, so firstly, the movie started a little bit around 6 o'clock. Alright, so it was a 5:40 movie, and you know they had the little ads for the upcoming movies and all, and so it started a little bit around 6 o'clock and the intermission was at 7:10. I made note of these times. The movie started like usual 15 minutes after the intermission break, and then it ended at 8:01 p.m. Alright, so firstly, the movie was shown in 3 auditoriums at the Carib 5 center. Alright, guys, my take on the movie now, it was so good. The movie left me feeling so inspired. It showed me a little bit more of the type of person Bob Marley is, and his songs, they depict his personality or the type of character that he is perfectly, because you listening to Bob Marley could tell that he's a humble being, he's a very simple man. Even a little quote where he said, when the person asked him about riches, and he said his riches is not in money or that kind of thing, it's in his life and the way he lives his life. That's his riches. Like, who does that? Like, this big superstar, I'm not even one people call him superstar like that. Like, he was just such a humble person.
Have you made a lot of money out of your music?
Money? I mean, how much is a lot of money to you?
Yeah, that's a good question. Have you made, say, millions of dollars?
No.
Are you a rich man?
When you mean rich, what you mean?
Do you have a lot of possessions? A lot of money in the bank?
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life.
That's how the movie portrayed him, and I'm happy it did, because who would want to see like him in a negative light? There wasn't many bad scenes, like the side chicks, all of that. Those scenes were missing from the movie, and I'm happy they were, because nobody would want, like, he's our legend. We don't want to have his character like smeared from the movie. And of course, it's produced by his family, his kids and all of that, so they're not gonna do that. Okay, they want to maintain the Bob Marley legacy. So I don't want to talk too much about the movie, but yeah, it was a very good for me, all the way up there for me. I don't want to say 10 out of 10, and I do want to say 10 out of 10. Very good movie. There was a scene where I did see Cindy Breakspear, because there was this whole contention about her not being in the movie, but it was just one clip. I guess she was saying that it should have been more than that for her. She was more instrumental in his life. The movie ended with him, well, it climaxed around the time that he found out about the cancer in his toe. I was thinking that they were gonna show, I don't want to talk too much about the movie, but I was thinking, well, this is a review, okay? I was thinking that they were gonna show when he did the surgery and all of that. Well, he didn't do the surgery. I was thinking they were gonna show where more of that or his end days, but they didn't. It just ended in such a, I don't know, a clean way. I liked it. The fact that he was just wanting to do what Jack called him to do, and if this is the end of the road, then this is the end of the road. It's not so clear cut though. It's kind of like you'd have to pick it up from scenes in the movie. All right, I'm not gonna talk too much more about that, but yeah, that is Bob Marley's movie for me. It was very good. My boyfriend said that he's gonna watch it. I should not tell him of how it went or tell him the scenes in the movie, but I told him I'm gonna watch it with you whenever you're gonna watch it. The movie was that good. All right, so Bob Marley movie, 10 out of 10. Yeah, bye.